Hello, Mr. Girish Ahuja. Thank you for joining us today.
Hi.
Sir, can you just brief me about your products, about your company, so that we can start the discussion further, sir?
Hi, I'm Girish Ahuja and I'm representing Crystal Crop Protection Limited here. We are into the manufacturing of agrochemicals, which is the crop protection chemicals. Then we are into production of seeds,
Yeah,
and then we are into the farm mechanization as well. We have our own R&D center at Sonipat, and we have 4 formulation plants and 2 technical plants across India.
nice, sir. So, as you're aware, this means counterfeiting is a big issue for the agri sector as well. So, can you just give us some sort of informations how it's impacting your particular brands and what are the challenges your brands are facing for this front, and what are the solutions you guys are using, because this is actually a very sensitive area where a farmer's getting impacted out of it. And uh, since this agri is a huge sector, so how you guys are doing this, the fight against counterfeiting? What's your goal to fighting towards this menace, sir?
Good, Puneet, you have asked this question. Counterfeiting, it is indeed a very big challenge for the agrochemical industry, and I'm sure it is not just a big challenge for agrochemical,
Yeah,
but for the entire sector. Across industry, it is a big challenge.
yeah,
When we talk about the counterfeiting, it is not just harming our agrochemical business. Apart from this business, it is impacting the yield of the farmer, it is impacting the environment, it is impacting the health and safety of the normal human being. So it is indeed a very big challenge. And just to brief you about, the some of the challenges are like, there are fly by night operators in our agrochemical sectors who are making the counterfeit products which are not safe, for consumption, which is creating a problem, for the farmer by decreasing their yield on a regular basis. Plus it is not safe for the environment, as I have mentioned, not safe for the, animals, they are taking the feed,
yeah.
not safe for the agroclimatic conditions as well. So this is a big challenge. And how we are countering the agrochemical is like, we have barcode on all our products. Then we are using the holograms. But this is not sufficient, that is what I think. Because the fly by night operators are still managing to make the counterfeit products. So, apart from, having the logos, the holograms, the uh, barcodes, etc., they are still managing to make the counterfeit products, so which is a big challenge. So tamper proof seal packaging we are doing, and now we are coming up with the patenting the bottles of the agrochemical products, what we are
Okay,
manufacturing. So this is something, the initiatives which we are doing, from Crystal Crop Protection to counter the counterfeit products.
okay. So as far as counterfeiting is concerned, means it's a huge loss, monetary loss as well. uh, there's a obviously there's a health loss for a consumer, but there's a monetary loss for the company like Crystal Crop. So how you face those challenges, and what are your inputs on that front, sir?
Yes, indeed. As I've mentioned, it is a monetary loss
Yeah,
for the company.
yeah,
Plus, another big challenge what we are facing is, these fly-by-night operators who are making the counterfeit products. They are not just making the counterfeit product, but also this is hampering the brand image of our company,
yes, exactly.
isn't it? So, but, if any farmer is using a counterfeit product, then I'm sure, they'll not get the desired result, the desired yield in their farms, which is a cause of concern, which is hampering the brand image of our company.
Yeah,
So this is again, apart from monetary, the reputation of the company is also
companies
being
also have,
hampered.
yes, yes, yes,
So
yes.
this is the challenge,
Yeah,
what we
this
are
is
facing.
actually so very sensitive for almost all the sectors, and but I believe that agri pharmaceuticals is very sensitive area where the counterfeitings harm to the consumers. And what more you guys are doing for consumer awareness kind of things, sir? Means how you are educating your consumers to be aware of the frauds on your products, sir?
This is very much important,
Yeah,
Puneet, to tell the farmers, about the fake
yeah,
products, the counterfeit products. So, from Crystal point of view, we are doing so many initiatives. We are going to small districts, and we are educating the farmers about, the counterfeit products, the safe products, how to buy the products. Like, always buy the product with by taking the proper invoice as well as the receipt of the product. This will I'm sure this will zero down, for farmer to take any counterfeit product. Apart from this, we are doing various kisan sangoshtis in the different districts to educate the farmer about this counterfeit product. And then we are associated with so many associations, who are educating the farmer by going to the districts, displaying the posters. We are by making pictures, small pictorials, the pictures, sending the WhatsApp messages
okay.
about the counterfeit products and all. So we are doing so many things, to educate the farmers about the counterfeit products.
And sir, as you mentioned, means you guys are doing lots of awareness campaigns, and while doing these awareness campaigns, you are collaborating with many of the industry associations. So,
Yes.
how you feel that collaborations, importance of the collaborations, and like means you are a part of traceability and authentication forum organized by ASPA. So, how you feel ASPA's role in this? And we being the only association of this particular industry, we are happy to collaborate with this podcast. Means I would love to request you, in case a brands like Crystal Crop can collaborate with ASPA for educating the consumer as well as the industry stakeholders. So what's your inputs on that front, sir?
It is indeed very much important,
Yeah,
and ASPA is playing a very crucial role, since you are not just dealing with the agrochemicals, you are dealing with all the sectors, across industry you are
yeah,
dealing it. And I'm sure, as I mentioned, it is a common problem for all the industries, the counterfeit products, which are hampering the brand image of the company, which are hampering the monetary part of the company, the profits of the company. So ASPA is playing a very crucial role. You have a very big role to play.
yeah,
And then, since it is a common problem, so we can find a common solution as well. Although the challenges might be different, for all the different industries,
yes,
but I'm sure, if we can collaborate together, I'm sure, not just the stakeholder, but if you can bring in the government as well, in that consumers are already there, the stakeholders are there, we are very much happy to collaborate with ASPA and, find out a proper way, to tackle this problem. Although we are doing it from agrochemical points of view, agrochemical industry point of view, but I'm sure, other industries are also there, who are also facing the problem, and we can collaborate together. And you have a big role to play. You can bring them down to a common platform like you are doing it, in this program today. And I'm sure, we can come out to a very good solution.
sure, sir. Thank you for the valuable suggestions and for your valuable time, sir. It's a pleasure meeting you, sir.
Pleasure.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.